Children, in the last class, lastly, what did we learn?
Singular, plural.
Only singular plural you learned.
Spelling rules.
Spelling rules. We studied some spelling rules. For the nouns, what happens? For the verbs, what happens? For the adjectives, what happens? And for the adverb, what happens? And some exceptions also we studied. So did you go through the lesson, children? Did you go through the lessons?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Shall we do the correction? Workbook activities? Did we do this activity for?
Yes, teacher.
We have discussed dieting. Have we discussed that question? Activity 4?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, instead of using the word reported or instead of using the word said, we have used here believed, reported, considered, and supposed. Like this words we studied in sentences, and we prepared some active voice and passive voice sentences. Okay, today we are moving to activity 5. That is related to the spelling rules. As we studied the spelling rules in the textbook, here we are going to do the activities. Okay, underline the correct verb. Here we are going to select the correct verb according to the sentences. When we are doing this type of question, what do we have to do, children? See the noun. We have to find the correct verb. We have to check the nouns. According to the nouns, we can find out the correct verb. Now see here. In each sentence, 10 sentences are given. We'll see what are the nouns given here. Nouns or pronouns. Okay, subject. We will check the subject. In first one, what is the pronoun given here?
Indefinite pronouns.
Indefinite pronouns are given here. What is the word? First word.
Nobody.
Nobody. First one, nobody. Second one,
Somebody.
somebody. Somebody. Third one,
Anybody.
anybody. Fourth one,
No one.
no one. No one. Next one,
None of them.
none of them. None of them. Sixth one,
Everybody.
everybody. Seventh one,
Everything.
everything. Eighth one,
Everyone.
everyone. Ninth one,
Both.
both flying saucers. Next one,
Some.
the word some is given. These words, nobody, everybody, anybody, no one, these words are called indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. We can take the word some, any, no, every. Some, please note down, some, any, no, every. With this body, we can take the word body, think, one. If we add the word some and body, how can we call?
Somebody.
Somebody. Any and body?
Anybody.
Anybody. No and body?
Nobody.
Nobody. Every and body?
Everybody.
Everybody. Okay? No, somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. Somebody means
Sila pe.
sila pair. Anybody?
யாராவது
யாராவது ஆட்கள். Nobody.
யாரும் இல்ல
Nobody means யாருமே இல்ல. Everybody.
எல்லாரும்
எல்லாரும். Okay? Everybody, எல்லாரும். இப்போ now we'll see a first one example. Nobody knows how the crop circles are made. Which answer will be coming for this? Nose. You have to remember one thing, children. For indefinite pronouns, we are using the singular verb. Now I told no, we can combine, we can create 12 words there using these words, some, any, no, every, with that body thing one. Same like that, we can take 3 into 4, 12 indefinite pronouns we can take. For these 12 indefinite pronouns, we are using the verb as singular. Okay, now we'll check the question. Number 1, nobody knows how the crop circles are made. What do you mean by that? Nobody knows. யாருக்குமே தெரியாது how the crop circles are made. crop circles வந்து எப்படி உருவாகுதுன்னு சொல்லி யாருக்குமே தெரியாது. Second one, you please read.
Somebody has taken or have taken a photograph of the flying saucer.
Very good. Somebody has taken, have taken a photograph of the flying saucer. But the answer will be coming there. Somebody has taken. Somebody mean கொஞ்சம் பேர் என்ன? Somebody mean கொஞ்சம் பேர். கொஞ்சம் பேர் சொல்லக்குள்ள அது plural. So has taken or have taken?
Have taken.
Sorry?
Has taken. Have taken.
Has taken, have taken. We'll see, huh? Who said that have taken? Who is telling that the word answer have taken? Somebody in the word வந்து plural. இருந்தாலும், as I said earlier, for the indefinite pronoun, somebody is an indefinite pronoun, no? So we have to consider the verb as singular. இங்க வந்து நாங்க somebody இந்த word யூஸ் பண்ணக்குள்ள என்ன verb நாங்க யூஸ் பண்ண வேணும்? singular ஆக பாவிக்கிற verb யூஸ் பண்ண வேணும். Somebody has taken, not have taken. Understand, children? Did you understand? Amma?
Yes.
யாருக்காவது விளங்காம இருக்குதா?
விளங்கிட்டு
Okay. Next one, number 3. You please read.
were anybody there in the flying saucer?
Was or were anybody there in the flying saucer? But the answer will be coming.
Was.
Was anybody there in the flying saucer? Next one. No one in our class. Sorry, please you read.
No one in our class have seen a flying saucer.
No one in our class have seen a flying saucer. But the answer will be coming there.
Has seen.
Has seen. No one in our class. எங்கட கிளாஸ்ல யாருமே flying saucer கண்டதில்ல. Next one.
None of them is Sri Lankans.
None of them
Is or are
are
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lankan. None of them is or are Sri Lankan. What the answer will be coming there? Here are none of them. None of them என்று சொல்றது வந்து indefinite pronoun இல்ல, that is plural. அவர்கள்ல யாருமே காண இல்ல. அவர்கள் means நிறைய பேர் is there. There are many people, so none of them are Sri Lankans. அவங்க யாருமே Sri Lankans இல்ல. Next one.
Everybody looked surprised about the crop circles.
Everybody looks surprised about the crop circles. Everybody. But the answer will be
Look.
coming.
Looks.
Look or look.
Looks.
Look. Why you are saying looks will be coming? Everybody mean ellarum no.
Are indefinite pronoun.
Very good. What is the answer? That is indefinite pronoun. So we have to use the singular verb. Okay. Next one, seventh one.
Everything says about flying saucers was or were not true.
Everything said about flying saucers was were not true. What is the answer will be coming?
Was.
Everything
The-
said about flying saucers was not true. Next one, eighth one.
Have everyone got a ticket?
What is the answer?
Has.
Has everyone got a ticket? Next one.
Both flying saucers were white in color.
Both flying saucers were white in color. Was over.
Were.
Huh?
Were.
Why were is coming there?
Are they indefinite pronouns illa?
That is not indefinite. Both flying saucers. That is not indefinite pronoun. Both flying saucers. ரெண்டு flying saucers வெள்ளை நிறத்துல இருக்குதா? Okay, இருந்துச்சா? Next one.
Some is or are curious about crop circles.
Some is curious about crop circles. Here, what is the answer?
Some.
Some are or some is?
Some are.
Some are. Some is not indefinite pronoun. Okay, some are. Some konjam பேர் are curious about crop circle. Okay, now we are moving to activity 6 in your workbook. Complete the table given below. Have you got a table in your workbook, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If you don't have, I have shared the page there in screen share. You can follow that. Okay. What type of table is given there? A simple task is given to you, isn't it?
Gender.
Yeah, related not only gender plus there are babies and homes also we have to find out. Babies and homes. For some they have given the males and for some they have given the female. For some they have given the young one and for some they have given the home. In each number they have given only one answer. It means the other 3 columns you are going to complete. I'm giving 2 minutes. Whatever you can, please complete that. Okay, after that we will discuss. Those are completed. If you know half, it even doesn't matter. You please complete it soon. After that we will discuss. If you have completed, you can just raise your hand up. You mean what? Yes,
Female of
female sheep. Summary after the Pannadu is called ewe. Then who is the male?
Ram.
Sheep, ram. Young one,
Lamb.
lamb. Home
Sheep pen.
Pen.
is pen.
Pen.
Sheep, pen. We can say. Next one, what is the word given here?
Bun.
Bunny.
Bunny. Who is bunny?
baby of
Bunny.
Whose baby
Rabbit.
is bunny? Amma?
Rabbit.
rabbits.
Rabbit. Baby is called as bunny. So who is the female? Female
Female
rabbit.
rabbit.
Female rabbit. Male?
Male rabbit.
Male rabbit. Home?
Burrow.
Burrow. Home is burrow. Next one, horse is given here. It is male. Female of horse is
Mare.
mare. And young one?
Fall.
Foal. Last class also we studied that, no? Foal. And the home?
Stable.
Stable. S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. Next one, drake is given here. The word drake. Who is drake? Drake mean what?
Duck.
Duck.
Male.
Male duck. So female is duck. Female is duck. And young one?
Duckling.
Duckling. புதுசாக நாங்க இதெல்லாம் படிச்சேன்னு. Where do they live?
Duck pond.
Pond.
In the pond. Not duck pond. In the pond, they live in the pond. Next one, cow. Male of cow,
Bull.
bull.
Buffalo
கால்நடை
வர
மாடு
மாட்டேங்குது.
சொல்லுவோமே. ஆமா,
Buffalo
buffalo
வருமா?
எருமை மாடு என்ன? Buffalo வந்து எருமை மாடு. இது காளை மாடு. பசு காளை. So bull. Okay, baby.
Calf.
Calf. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Home? Where do they live? Huh?
Pen.
Pen. No. பெண்ணிலையும் இருக்கும் சில மாடுகள். ஷெட் நாங்க மாட்டு பட்டிக்கு சொல்றது மாட்டு பட்டின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Shed. And we can call barn. ஆமா,
Barn.
barn. B-A-R-N. Next one, cub is given there. Baby's cub. Whose baby is cub?
Lion.
Lion's baby is cub, as well as
Tiger.
tiger cub. Okay. Fox. writing also cub. Okay. So here down fox is given. So we will take this as lion. So who is the male?
Lion.
Lion. Female? Female. Huh? Lioness. 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 And where do they live?
Den.
Den.
In. Next one, nanny god. Nanny god?
Goat.
Nanny god means God. Nanny god? God. God. Nanny god na? Mari. Yes. Kada Mari, no? Yes. Baby?
Kid.
Kid. And home?
Pen.
Pen. Next one, peacock.
Peahen.
Peahen. Then baby?
Peachix.
Huh?
Peachix.
Peachick. Yeah, peachick. Place? Home?
Forest.
Viri.
They live in forest. Next one, Dixon is given. Then who is the male for Vixen?
Fox.
Amma?
Lion.
Fox. Not lion. Lion already we wrote lioness, no? So here, fox. Fox Vixen. Baby?
Cub.
Cub. And where do they live? Home.
Den.
Den. Next one, spider female. Male?
Spider.
Spider. Where young one?
Spiderling.
Spiderling. Spiderling. Home?
Cobweb.
Cobweb. Not cobweb. Web. Cobweb mean ஒட்டறை. ஒட்டடையோ என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That is cobweb. Web. வலை. Okay, we are moving to the next question. Match the following idioms with their meanings. Can you tell me what do you mean by idiom? Idiom na என்ன? Early in grade 10 class also we have studied lot of idioms. Here again we are going to match with the meaning of the idioms. What do you mean by idiom? Idiom means சொற்றொடர்கள் or மரபு வழிச் சொற்கள். In one side, idioms are given, 6 idioms are given, and in the other side, their meanings given. Okay? Please read out the idioms first, one of you.
The lion share.
The lions share, okay? Okay.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Okay.
Put the cart before the horse.
Put the cart before the horse, okay?
Get all your ducks in a row.
Get all your ducks in a row, okay?
Like a duck to water.
Like a duck to water, okay?
A wall in
Wolf,
sheep's
wolf.
clothing.
A wolf in sheep's clothing. Meanings, please read the meaning also.
without any fear or problem.
Without any fear or problem. Yes. Next one.
Seems to be harmless but really an enemy.
Seems to be harmless but really an enemy.
To be well organized.
To be well organized. Okay. Next one.
To put or do things in the wrong order.
To put or do things in the wrong order. Okay.
The best or largest part of something.
The best or largest part of something. Next
To
one.
tell a secret by mistake.
To tell a secret by mistakes. Here see the lion's share. Singathida pangu. What do you mean by that? Singathida pangu. Singam is, lion is special animal in the jungle. So if we are giving a share, it must be a main part or important thing. Okay, when we are giving a share to lion, it will be very important part for lion. So that is the meaning for that. Let the cat out of the bag. That means you are keeping the cat inside the bag and releasing it out. What do you mean by that?
Secret.
நாங்க சீக்கிரட்டா பாதுகாத்து வச்சு இந்த விஷயத்த தெரியாம ரிலீஸ் பண்ணி விட்டது. Next one. Put the cart before the horse. Cart mean what?